That's why I love learning. I always learn new things. Remember what T-U-R-E says at the end of words, like horticulture? What?
Sure.
Yeah, it's going to be another one at the end of this word. So what is this word going to say? Hi, Mara. She has the cutest dog that loves to come to our lessons. So in this lesson, you're going to see a decoding teaching tip where you ask the child to break down the word into just the first 2 or 3 letters. If that word was only 2 or 3 letters long, what would it say? That's usually not scary. Then you would just add 1 more letter. That too is not scary. And it's just a way to take the mystery and the fear out of reading longer words. Let's try this last word. I think a R got in after the A. What's the A going to say?
Agriculture.
I want you to say it really slow and stretch it out.
Agriculture.
Now a slightly bit faster.
Agriculture.
Good. She was reading each of the sounds correctly, but she wasn't quite reading the word yet. So I'm going to try that technique that I described earlier. If it was just two letters, what would it say? Ag. What if it was 3?
Agar.
Agar. What was it was 4?
Agri.
Agri. 5.
Agric.
Agric. 6. What about 6?
Agrica.
Agrica. What about 7?
Agrica.
Now we just have the chur at the end. You can do it.
Agriculture.
Yeah, agriculture. Good job. Good job, Brooklyn. That trick really makes it easier for the kids to read longer and more intimidating words. I hope that trick works for you. Thanks for watching.